Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, POCO C50 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to bypass FRP on the smartphone. Okay, it's too easy to do. Firstly, you need to open our website and find here your POCO C50 device. We have no prepare in a manual for POCO C50 device, but we will do it later. I have just tried on POCO C50 device this last manual for Redmi 12C and it works. So I will prepare the manual for POCO C50 later, but now we will try to use Redmi 12C. So open our website, find your POCO, scroll down, find here bypass Google verification, find here your Android version and the latest security patch for it, and great. So now just click next. Here choose English language, click next, region, next. As you can see, we need to have SIM card with PIN code. So click next and connect to the Wi-Fi network. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Click contact. Great. Now now you need to insert the SIM card into the Xiaomi device. So insert the SIM card with PIN. You can try to insert just old blocked SIM card with the PIN, So great, as you can see, the phone is asking for the PIN code, so enter the PIN code, click OK, and now swipe from up to down and choose settings. Great. So cool. Now just scroll down, find here additional settings, scroll down again, find here accessibility, click downloaded apps. Oh, so sorry, not downloaded apps, but accessibility menu. Click accessibility menu shortcut, hello, okay, go back. Now go back again, find here apps, manage apps, find here YouTube, scroll down, find notifications, then scroll down again, find additional settings in the app, find about, help, choose here disable and manage. Click tab to go to application settings. Find here Android setup, click force stop, click OK, go back, scroll down, find Google Play Services, click disable, wait a while, find Play Services again, click force stop, click OK, press and hold together power and volume up and reboot your device. So wait a while. Great. So cool. We don't need our SIM code right now. So great. Now go next. As you can see, we can't skip because we are connected to the Wi-Fi. Wait a while. Great. Click don't copy. And now we have Google boot loop. As you can see, we have just a sec, then checking for updates, just a sec, checking for updates. So this is boot loop because we have disabled Google Play services. So now when we are located between copying data and normal booting, so here we need to enable Google Play services, because your phone checking if you have the Google FRP log after asking of copy or don't copy. So now we are after don't copy message. So now we need to enable Google Play services, and then we will kind of open our normal system. So now click on the accessibility button and click Google Assistant. Try again. You need to try it several times. You have time for it. So click settings. You need to do it fastly, and click enable. Now you need to be really patient and pay attention. Click settings. Yes, it's enabled. And how can I? Okay. Now, as you can see, checking for updates and Google services. Yes, great. So Google verification was successfully bypassed on this Xiaomi device. So let's just quickly set it up. Scroll down next, skip, classic, go, and wait a while. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Okay, thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you. Xiaomi was successfully unlocked.